Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just seeing the wallpaper. That's all. Nothing else.
Oh,
Yeah, now I can see the image. Okay. Make your window bigger. Okay. No, don't do that. That kind of things. Git fetch. First of all, check the status of your Git status.
yeah,
You can make the Git status,
yeah, I just did the Git status.
but you get there is no repository, right? So
Sorry.
then how can you do it? Okay, now do git fetch -v -- prune origin. This will sync up with remote and it will let you know in case if any changes are available in remote. Now you see here, right? Master is changed, develop is changed. That's why you see that ASCII encrypted code numbers, right?
Yeah.
So that means master and develop both are changed in the remote. Now get the latest to fetch the latest changes available in master branch into your local branch. What you have to do is git rebase. Don't do merge. I mean, you will end up having other problems. Try to do git rebase.
Okay.
Git rebase -- preserve merges. Preserve type tab. Just no. It doesn't work. Okay. Preserve hyphen merges. Preserve hyphen merges. Hyphen no space. Yep. Origin / space origin / master to the master. Yes. So this command will get the latest changes available in master into your local master. So now git k, open the git k. Git k hyphen all ampersand. Do ampersand. That will open as a separate window. So now if you see here, you have the master branch available with you now, but you don't have the develop branch checked out. Try to do the checkout the develop. Git checkout develop. Because you don't have the local develop, so you can directly check out the develop. You don't need to do a previous command, whatever preserve merges, right? That the preserve merges will be used only when you have a local branch and you're trying to update the local branch.
Okay.
If you're taking out a brand new local remote branch into your local, you can directly do the checkout develop. Now go and refresh the git k. Reload the git k window. Now you will see that your local develop master and remote develop master all are at the same line, meaning all the branches is having the same source code.
Okay.
Now you have the latest code available in the remote. Now the next step is, did you set up the database with the schema and password? I given you, right? Now go to the Eclipse and open the source code in Eclipse. Okay. Now open the application.property file. You don't need to do that. I mean, it'll come automatic. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Application.property file. So, based on that schema name and user password, try to create the same schema on your local machine. Line number 10 to 13, right?
Yes. So,
So,
I mean, how does the local SQL and the Docker SQL?
I mean, you can this setup you can create on your local SQL or Docker SQL. You have installed on Docker SQL?
Yeah, I mean, I have SQL on my local machine, and I even did it on Docker.
So connect to the Docker. I mean, go to the Docker, open the terminal and show me how the Docker is. Try it, Docker ps-a. Let me see, what did you do? Hello Java. And MySQL is running it. Okay. Docker inspect MySQL. Docker space inspect space MySQL. No. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Right. Go ahead. MySQL. Okay. So now the IP address it is running on. Oh yeah, 2. No, that's fine. So now in your MySQL workbench, try to connect to this IP address.
Okay.
Yeah, click on the home button. Yeah, and try to establish a new connection. Yeah, change that. Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
Should I give the connection name or?
Yeah, you need to give the Docker connection or whatever. It's only you're connecting to the machine, not to the. You're connecting to the whole instance.
Okay.
So you can say Docker local or whatever you like it. So. Yeah, test connection. Did it connect?
It's loading.
Stay right, it's taking too much time. Is it really connected?
No, it's actually loading.
I can't see anything else. That's hard. Did you click on test connection?
Yeah.
Interesting. So go to the Docker, go to the terminal and do the Docker PS. Show me the Docker PSA. So up 7 hours. So it is up. So your container is up. MySQL container is up. So fail to connect to MySQL with user root, meaning you may need to give password probably. Try password. Password is password or something. That document might have it, right? Click on test connection. It should not take a long time. You connect to the Docker. I mean, it should be local, right? It's pretty fast. Can you show me the document that you used to connect this?
I use the secure container setup.
The bottom line, it is not connecting to the MySQL. That's the issue. Did you use -MySQL? Root? Did you give any password?
Yeah, I changed the password to root.
So give the same. So you given the password as root and root?
Yeah.
So you given the root and password as also root, right?
Right.
But it doesn't work. Did it work yesterday or you haven't tried yet?
No, I did not try the Docker.
Okay, so you can give it a try later on after the session.
I think my
okay.
local MySQL is running on the same port. Is that an issue?
Shouldn't be, because the port number is different, the IP address is different, right?
Okay.
You're running on a different IP address. So both IP addresses are different, so it should not be a problem.
Okay.
So what you can do is, for now, create the database setup on your local, but you can be able to connect to your local instance, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, connect to the local instance and create the database setup. I'll let you know what to do. Yeah, go for it. No, don't do like that. Why are you doing like that? Create the schema first.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
You don't have schema, right? Go on the top icon, right? Yeah. Prio-stocks. That's your schema name. Apply. And one more schema. Close. Try one more schema. Stock portfolio test. No icons. Some problem was there. That's why I created something different. Yeah. Yep. Try. Schema names cannot be more than some characters in MySQL. Some problem was there. So now I can see only one schema. Where is the other schema? Can you refresh the schemas? I don't see two schemas. On the left hand, in the schemas, I can see only prior stocks. Where is the other one?
Yeah. Just apply changes to prior stock.
Oh, no, close the window. Close that right side tab and try again. Yeah, close the tab and yeah, repeat the process again. Same thing. Stock portfolio test. Yeah, apply. Yeah, you got it. So now click on the users on the left pane on the top. Users, yep. Users and privileges, yep. So now add account. First account is prior stock. Is that what I do? Wait a minute. I think, can you open the application.properties? Yeah, user prior stocks and prior stocks. Username and password same. Copy the same thing and create that account. New user login name, right? No, not there.
Oh.
Fine. Up on the first one. Yep. And the password is the same. And confirm password. Apply. Done. So done. Now click on the tab Schema Privileges on the right pane. No, not there. On the right pane, on the same account page, okay. On the right side, login, right? Yes, Schema Privileges, and click on Add Entry. So now we are going to give access to this user schema. Select schema. So prior stocks. So that means this user can access prior stock schema.
Okay.
That's the purpose of it. And select all. Underneath come, select all, apply. Done. So similarly, create one more user. Go to the application test properties. So your main line schema is done. Now we are going to create the test schema, application icon test. Yeah. Yep. Same process. Users and privileges, add account. Yeah, you're already there. Yeah, okay. Good. And schema privileges. Add entry. Correct. That's it. You're all good. Now, because you are using a local setup, right? You need to go to the application properties. So change that 172.17.0.2 to a local host. Make it as a local host. Remove everything and just type in local host. That IP address?
I think it is, the address is 172.0.0.1.
Yeah, that's nothing but local host.
Okay.
So internally it will convert to that IP address. So every local host entire the world is using the same IP address.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Similarly, use that in application test properties. Yeah, both places. Yep. So because you're using different DB instance, that's why we're changing the IP addresses. That's all.
Okay.
So now that's it. You're good. Now what you can do is go to the terminal and run the docker.sh file. Where is your terminal? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, go to the terminal.
I am on the terminal.
Oh, I think the refresh rate is slow. I can't see it. It's still on, it's showing me still on Eclipse IDE. That's fine. So what you can do is go to the project folder in the terminal. I can see it now. So clear the screen.
I started it.
Oh, you already started? Okay.
Yeah.
I think it's pre-conference call is refreshing the page a little bit slower. That's fine.
Okay.
And let me know how that runs. It should execute everything properly and build the application and deploy it onto the container.
Okay. There are test failures.
I can't see your screen. I'll wait a minute. So what is the reason it fails?
Fail to execute or there are test failures. It says there are test failures.
No, I mean, what is the error?
Like it says rerun Maven with -e switch.
Pardon me?
To see all the errors, rerun Maven with -e switch. Error switch.
You are also running the same steps, Aaron?
No.
It says fail to execute goal org.apache.maven.plugin, Maven Surefire plugin, and Project Trio stock portfolio. There are test failures.
Do you have the Maven installed on your machine?
Yeah, I do have.
It's not fail, so I can't see your screen. Try running again. Try run the Docker command again. Some reason I can't see your screen. Can you unshare and share?
I guess there is an error in abstract DAO test case.
Yeah, I'll see that. Can you unshare and share?
Can you pass the presenter access again?
No, okay. I mean, yeah. You got it?
Yeah. Can you see the screen now?
No, I think it is refreshing slower for me some reason. My internet might be slower. We'll see. I'll wait a minute.
Okay. It says table prior user not found in table map.
So what you can do is, it should run, but I'll check. So for now, what you can do is go to the Hibernate schema SQL file and copy the content and paste onto your test schema. Execute the Hibernate schema SQL on your test schema. It's okay. I'll yeah, do that one and we'll see. There might be that might be the issue. Yeah, I still can't see your screen. Some reason it is present for me. Screen sharing off. Why? Do you see my screen now?
No, we can't see your screen.
Something wrong. Okay. And make a copy. I took the ball from you. Your presenter. Now share and share the screen, Abhi.
Yeah, I'm sharing.
He already shared.
Not quite sure what is going on, but I can't see you. But you can explain me. I mean, what is the problem? Maybe I'll try to collect.
I think it is running now. I can see the queries.
Oh, you can see the queries? Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
So there might be, if it is an empty test schema, it's not running. Okay, I'll fix the problem in the shell script. That might be an issue. So I can do that. Okay.
Java.util.concurrent execution exception. Connection refused. With localhost 2375. Saying connection is refused for localhost.
Because you're able to connect, right? So it should work.
Error response from daemon repositories.
Yeah, I can't see your screen at all. Maybe if I close the meeting, I think everybody will be kicked out of the meeting. So.
I've sent it in the meeting chat.
Yeah, wait a minute. Close program. I think some problem is. I'll try to close and rejoin and see.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait a minute. I'll try to join and rejoin. I rejoined. You're still sharing?
Yes.
Arun, you're able to see?
Yes, I can see screen.
Why not me?
I guess there is some problem today in this call because I lost connection 2 times.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. No, I can see him. I can see Avi as a presenter. I stopped you as a presenter.
Okay.
You should lose connection now. And I'm trying it again. I made you presenter back. Can you share now?
Can you see it now?
Mm. I can't see.
I lost the sharing privileges.
You lost the sharing privileges?
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Okay. So I made you presenter again. So I think this meeting is pretty slow. I guess we should becoming presenter. We'll see. There your presenter.
Yeah. Can you see it now?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. I see if everybody sees I'm not seeing means there might be some problem with my internet connection. So you can explain me orally. I'll try to do whatever I could.
Okay. So it says failed to execute goal com.spotify docker maven plugin. It says exception called java.util.concurrent execution exception.
Okay. Let's do one thing. Don't run the, go to the palm.xml wherever you are, right? So just do maven clean package. MVN clean package. MVN space clean space package. We'll see that work.
Okay.
You running?
Yeah.
Let me know whenever it completes.
Okay.
It should not take more than 45 seconds to a minute.
Yeah, it's done.
Successful?
Yeah, build success.
Okay. So that means now try that sh docker.sh. So when you run the previous maven clean package, does it run the test cases too?
Yes, it did run the test case.
So that means it's okay. Now Docker should work. We'll see.
No, it's a build failure.
Why?
After building image PrioStock portfolio, it says build failure. Unable to find image PrioStock portfolio latest locally. Error response from daemon repository PrioStock portfolio not found. Does not exist or no pull access.
So does the test case is executed properly?
Yeah.
After
Test
that,
on
you
page
have
0. After the test cases, it's giving an error.
it should not give you any error. Docker ps -a. Do the Docker ps -a and see whether this is available in the container.
No, it's not.
Okay, run the shell script again. I want to see. I mean, if the build completes, it should work. So there is nothing to stop. Try again the Docker sh.
Yeah, I'm running it again.
Okay.
It's still running.
Okay. I don't know why it is running slow for you. Let's see how much time it runs for me at my local machine.
The same error.
Can you explain the error once again?
The first error is fail to execute goal, exception code java.util concurrent execution exception.
After the build is complete, right?
Yeah, after the test cases, it's copying all the
Yeah, copying all the stuff, and then it says build image PyOStack portfolio. Is that happen? Is that statement coming? Building image PyOStack portfolio.
Building image PyOStack portfolio. After that, build failure.
That means something to deal with Docker because you're using a different OS Docker, right? I guess that might be issue, or it might be an issue with the JDK part. Until unless I look at your screen, I can't really do much of it because it is different operating system, right? I need to really look at and troubleshoot what the issue is.
Okay.
Because it's bottom line, it's not able to build the Docker image. That's what I can say. See, for me, whole thing happens in 39 seconds.
Okay.
Because I'm using Linux Docker, right? So that's why, I can't reproduce that issue, what you're facing. So only thing I can do is I need to log into your machine and look at that.
Okay. I'll research around this and I'll see if I can fix it.
Yeah, sure. So research around this and then I